Mark, what do you think of direct mail? Do you think that's still relevant in our industry?
It is uh, harder and harder to do it effectively. Now, what I think the key part is targeting. So what I see people target either, for example, if a person buys a new home, an existing home, they bought an existing home and they move in the first 6 months, they're highly likely to spend some money to improve that home. Okay, if they got a direct mail, a few weeks after they've moved in, they're highly likely to look at the direct mail. But if you just blanket things, most of your direct mail is going to end up in the trash can. So it's about targeting, whether it's the time the person just moved in a home, perhaps something else has happened. Maybe it's a neighborhood that you're targeting a particular neighborhood. Maybe there's some sort of a event that has happened that you know making it as specific as possible, not just, oh, by the way, we do this.
Yeah, that seems really logical. I remember when our family moved into the neighborhood for the first time, we would get flyers from neighborhood restaurants and gyms,
Yes.
welcoming us. So,
Right.
so that makes sense. But if I'm a contractor super busy, how do I get access to that type of information? It seems tricky to get.
Well, there are, I don't, I'm trying to think if they're still in business, but there was an organization called Welcome Wagon. There's realtors, there's the public records, like you can find out who bought homes by address, by name and everything. So you can, if you look into it, if you go to a direct mail company, they will get the list together for you and help you set the program up. So that information is publicly available. And it's whether you want to pay somebody who knows what they're doing to go get it, or you have the free time and the interest to go dig it out yourself.
But the key takeaway is like targeting and sending the right piece of information to them at the right time is really key.
Yes.
That makes sense.